Hi guys, and welcome to DIY Ideas, and welcome again to a new scarf tutorial. I'm going to show you this really cute, cozy, really long scarf that I did with chain stitches and single crochets. I used my size 8 crocheting hook here, and I think this wool has really cute colors. Obviously, I'm going to show it to you in a minute. Have fun! Okay guys, so here we are with Karen Sprinkle Cakes. It's a huge ball of yarn. You can see why it says sprinkles, and then you can see the nice brown colors here. It's a nice color fade, or actually, I'm not sure if they're actually color fades. I think they might just be different colors. And then we have these nice sprinkles on top. And it's really nice for fall, great colors for, once it's getting kind of colder. It's called Red Velvet. I would say this is more browns than reds, but sure. It's 227 grams and 176 meters. 77% acrylic, 20% wool, and 3% other fibers. And this is meant for size 8 crocheting hooks, and that's exactly what I'm going to use here. And I'm going to start by taking the middle out of the ball of yarn. So hopefully the start is in there, but I think so. This is perfect. This is actually kind of a reddish color. And here we go. I'm going to start here with some chain stitches. As a base, I'm going to do a multiple of 4. I'm going to do 12 here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then I'm going to add 3 for height. All right, and so we go back into the 4th one and we do a single crochet, 2 chain stitches, and then into the next one, again, a single crochet. Okay, so we skipped the first 3. The ones for height, then we did a single crochet, 2 chain stitches, and another single crochet. Then we will skip 2 chain stitches here, and into the next one, single crochet, chain stitches, 2 chain stitches, and then another single crochet into the next stitch. And this is kind of what we achieved by doing this, so it's kind of like little arcs. So we skip 2 chain stitches here again, then single crochet, 2 chain stitches, and another single crochet into the next stitch. And if I didn't miscount, we should have 2 stitches left over. I'm going to skip 1, and into the very last one we add a single crochet. Okay, so we did this 3 times here. So we did 3 times 4, that's what we, that's the multiple of 4 that we chose. And so always on 4 chain stitches of the base, we do 2 single crochets, and into the middle we do 2 chain stitches. And then to start, obviously we don't have this base anymore, so we have the first row as a base. Start with 3 chain stitches, then we turn it around, and then always around the chain stitches that are in between the 2 single crochets, we do a single crochet, 2 chain stitches, and another single crochet. Then into the next arc here, again around the chain stitches here, single crochet, 2 chain stitches, and another single crochet. And then here again, number 3, single crochet, 2 chain stitches, and another single crochet. Then here at the very end, we have reached the chain stitches here from the very beginning, and we go in and we add a single crochet. That's always how we will end the rows. Then again, 3 chain stitches for the beginning of the row. That's how every row is going to start. Then turn it around and we go again around the chain stitches of the top of the arc. Single crochet, 2 chain stitches, and another single crochet. And then here again, single crochet, 2 chain stitches, and another single crochet. Always, around the little chain stitches of the row before, in the middle of the arc. Here again, number 3. And at the very end here, around the chain stitches, we add the single crochet around the chain stitches we used for height. And then we start again for the next row. So 3 chain stitches, turn it around, and then we do the exact same pattern again. And you can see, yeah, how cute this actually looks. It has like a kind of like a hole pattern. But yeah, from the holes that we're kind of creating, that's where, you know, all the stitches kind of come out. We kind of have like a little flower maybe here on top with the 2 chain stitches here on top. And then, yeah, we kind of